हेलो स्टूडेंट्स, आज हम टर्म 1 जो आपका हुआ है सीबीएसई साइंस पेपर विद आंसर्स डिस्कस कर रहे हैं। मेनली जी आंसर्स जो हैं कोशिश की गई है कि बिल्कुल एग्जैक्टली करेक्ट हों। देयर मे बी सम चेंज, लेकिन ज़्यादा नहीं होगा। सेक्शन ए के अंदर आप देखेंगे द फर्स्ट क्वेश्चन स्टूडेंट टुक सोडियम सल्फेट सॉल्यूशन इन ए टेस्ट ट्यूब एंड एडेड बेरियम क्लोराइड सॉल्यूशन टू इट। ही ऑब्जर्व दैट एन insoluble substance has formed. The color and molecular formula of the insoluble substance is C option, white barium sulfate. Second question में which of the following oxide are soluble in water to form alkalis? Sodium oxide and potassium oxide. तो A option. Study the diagram given below, identify the gas formed in the reaction. So bubble से पता चल रहा है hydrogen gas which while burning produce a popping sound. Question number 4th. Sodium reacts with water to form sodium hydroxide and hydrogen gas. The balanced chemical equation you have to write. So option B, sodium plus H2O. 5th, which of the following option is the given table are correct? So 2 sour milk, lactic acid, and 3rd antacid methanoic acid. So C option. Then the glucose breakdown in presence of oxygen. It is exothermic reaction. Energy is released. 7th question, which of the following statement about the reaction given below are correct? So it's C option. That means 1 and 2 only. HCl is oxidized to chlorine, correct, and this is your NCERT problem also. And second is MnO2 is reduced to manganese chloride. 8th, select from the following the statement which is true for bases. Bases turn pink when a drop of phenolphthalein is added to them. This is the right answer. Question number 9th, study the following table and choose the correct option. So it's B option, H2CO3, NaOH, it will be neutral. Acid, parent acid and parent base, it will be neutral. Because it is a weak acid and strong base is there. HCl, NaOH, basic. Study the following, choose the correct option. So in this some confusion may be there because HCl and NaOH will be neutral, nature of salt will be neutral, but both are strong acid. So might be A answer will be there. Question number 10th, it is important to balance the chemical equation to satisfy the law of conservation of mass. Which of the following statement of the law is incorrect? The chemical composition of the reactant is same before and after the reaction. So it is important to balance the chemical to satisfy the law. इसमें C option आ गया आपका. 11th, consider the following statement in connection with the functions of the blood vessels marked A and B. Diagram of human heart. So A, it carries carbon dioxide rich blood to the lungs because it is coming from the left ventricle. And second is B, it carries oxygen rich blood from the lungs. So in the B it is going to the left auricle, and first one is so 1, 2 and 3, D option. In living organism during respiration, which of the following products are not formed if oxygen is not available? So carbon dioxide and water will be not formed, complete oxidation नहीं होगी. Correct statement with reference to the single celled organisms 2 and 4. Simple diffusion is sufficient to meet the requirement of exchange of gases, and entire surface of the organism is in correct contact with the environment for taking food. Which one of the following is not removed as a waste product from the body of the plant? It is urea. Question 15th, which of the following statements are correct in reference to the role of A as shown in figure? So it flattens as we inhale and it helps the chest cavity to become larger. So A option. Question number 16th, which one of the following condition is true for the state of stomata of a green leaf shown in given diagram? Large amount of water flows out from the guard cells. In which of the following is a concave mirror used in a solar cooker? A student wants to obtain magnified image of an object AB as on screen. Which one of the following arrangements show the correct option of AB for them? It is C option. The following diagram shows the use of an optical device to perform an experiment of light. As per the arrangement shown, the optical device is likely to be concave lens. A ray of light starting from air passes through a medium. A refractive index is 1.5, enters medium of refractive 1.5, finally enters C with refractive. The ray emerges out in air from C. Then which of the following pair of medium the bending of light is least? So in the A and B will be there. B option. Which of the following statement is not true for the scattering of light? Scattering of light takes place as various colors of white light travels with a different speed in air. Question number 22. Its sign positive value more than 1. बी ऑप्शन. ये सॉल्व करने होंगे बट अभी तो आपको आंसर ही चाहिए. ए रे ऑफ लाइट इज इंसिडेंट एज शोन इन ए बी सी आर 3 डिफरेंट ट्रांसमिट मीडियम. देन विच अमॉन्ग द फॉलोइंग ऑप्शन इज ट्रू फॉर द गिवन डायग्राम. एंगल 3 इक्वल्स टू एंगल 2. इंटीरियर एंगल्स जो है इसके इक्वल होते हैं. Question number 24. In the diagram given below, X, Y are the end colors of the spectrum of white light. The color of Y represents color used to paint the danger signal. That means red. Which of the following reaction is categorized as thermal decomposition? Calcium carbonate, calcium oxide plus carbon dioxide. Heat use होती है इसमें इसलिए. The decreasing order of H ions concentration is C2143. Study the experimental setup shown in figure and choose the correct option. It is D. Potassium carbonate, carbon dioxide turns milky. Which of the following structures correctly depict the compound calcium chloride? Ca2Cl2. Okay. 29th. The pair which will show displacement reaction is 2 and 3, AgNO3 and Al2SO4. Which of the following salts do not have the water of crystallization? 1 and 4. So bleaching powder and baking soda. Correct. Assertion region. Sodium hydrogen carbonate is used as ingredient in antacid. NaOH3 is mild and not non-corrosive basic salt. Both are correct, but the explanation is not correct. That's why B. Burning of natural gas is an endothermic process. Methane gas combines with oxygen to produce carbon dioxide and water. C option. A is correct. B is wrong. R is wrong. Nitrogen is an essential element for plant growth and it is taken up by plants in the form of inorganic nitrate or nitrite. Correct. The soil is nearest and richest source of raw material like nitrogen, phosphorus. Correct, but the explanation is not. So B option. Sun appears reddish at time of sunrise and sunset. Distance traveled by light in the atmosphere is lesser during the sunrise and sunset. So A is correct. B is wrong. So C option. Hydrochloric acid helps in the digestion of food in the stomach. A. Hydrochloric create acidic medium. दोनों सही बात हैं तो A option हो गया. 36 में a student was asked to write a stepwise process to demonstrate that carbon dioxide necessary for photosynthesis. He wrote the following steps. Both potted plants are kept in sunlight after the starch test. तो starch test के बाद उनको sunlight में रखने की जरूरत नहीं होती. तो ये C option correct नहीं है इसमें. Respiratory structure of two different animals, fish and human beings are shown. Both have thin and moist surface for gaseous exchange. Observe the diagram of an activity given below. What does it help to conclude when the person inhales into the percentage of carbon dioxide more in exhaled air? If a lens can converge the sun rays at 0.20 centimeter away from its optimum, the power of the lens निकालनी हमने तो C option. The radius of curvature of a converging mirror is 30 centimeter. At what distance from the mirror should an object be placed so that to obtain virtual image? D 0 to 15. The length of a small intestine in deer is more as compared to the length of small intestine. The reason is टाइप ऑफ फूड कंज्यूम. सही बात है. ऑमनिवोरस कार्निवोरस में छोटी होती है स्मॉल इंटेस्टाइन. आइडेंटिफाई द टू कंपोनेंट्स ऑफ फिलोएम टिश्यू दैट हेल्प इन ट्रांसपोर्टेशन ऑफ फूड इन प्लांट. सीव ट्यूब्स एंड कंपेनियन सेल्स. A converging lens forms a 3 times magnified image of an object which can be taken on screen if the focal length of the lens is 30 then the distance. It is D option -40. Which of the following statement is not true in reference to the diagram below? Image formed is enlarged. In diagram show N1, N2 and N3 are refractive index of the medium 1, 2 and 3. Which of the following is true in these cases? N3 is greater than N2. More bending is there, so the refractive index will be higher. Darkness भी दिखा रखी है उसके अंदर. The refractive index of medium A is 1.5 and that of 133, 1.33. If the speed of light is 3, what will be the speed of light of A and B respectively? तो दोनों की speed of light निकालनी है तो डिवाइड कर देंगे हम 3 × 10⁸ से, एक बार 1.5 से, एक बार 133 से, तो D option. An object of height 4 cm is kept at a distance of 30 cm from the pole of the diverging mirror. If the focal length of the mirror is 10, then height of the image formed is +10. 50 ml of tap water was taken in beaker. Hydrochloric acid was added drop by drop. The temperature and pH of the solution was noted. The following graph was obtained. So 3 and 4th option will be there. C option. Section C. Out of the given metals, the one which need to be stored used in kerosene are B option. Out of the given metals, the metal Q is magnesium. The metals which form amphoteric oxide P, the increasing order of reactivity is SpQr. Case 2, dialysis. In question number 53, in passing the waste product in dialyzing solution, C option. Which one of the following is not function of artificial to reabsorb essential nutrient from the blood? The used dialysing solution is rich in urea and excess salt. Which of the part of the nephron in human kidney serves the function of reabsorption of certain substantial tubules? What type of lenses must be L1 and L2, both convex? What is the value and sign of magnification of the image formed by L1? Value is equal to more than 1 and sign is equal to negative. What is the value and sign of magnification for image formed by L2? Value is equal to more than 1, sign is equal to positive. If the power of the eyepiece is 5 diopter and forms an image at distance 80, then the B option will be there, 16 centimeter. So analyze your result. Thanks for watching and hope for the best. Thank you.